Okay, this is a circular motion lab with the toy buggy car. You can see it down here. This is the little toy buggy, and let me explain how it's connected. It's got a piece of tape with some string, and it's tied back to a piece of tape that's anchored to the floor. The distance, the radius between the places taped on the floor to the buggy itself is 1 meter. Okay, it's 1 meter. So the radius of, so this buggy is going to go, this is about circular motion. So this buggy is going to go around, I'm going to turn this buggy on, it's going to go around in a circle, and the string is going to attach it and push it and pull it into a circle, and it's going to go around. And what we're going to do is measure the time it takes to make 1 revolution. Okay? And so the radius of this circle will be 1 meter. Okay? So I'm going to turn it on, we're going to measure the time, then we're going to make a note of that, then we're going to reduce the radius to 1/2 meter, and then run it again. Okay? And we'll do that in the second part. Okay? So my assistant here is going to run my clock. You can see here's the meter stick, so that's a meter. Here we go. This is working really well. You notice that it's being pulled around in a circle. You notice the string is taut. The string is taut here. You notice that? The car is being pulled in a circle by this string. And now. Oops. And how was that? Oh, good. Okay. So the time with a radius of 1 meter, the time to make the trip all the way around was what? 18?
18.01 seconds.
18.01 seconds. That's the time for 1 trip. Okay, now we're going to shorten this to 1/2 meter, and then we're going to run it again. So I'll leave it right here. And what we're going to do is just take some tape and this works so well. I almost hate to mess it up, but okay. So now we're going to make it 1/2 meter. So I'm going to pull this in like this and set it up here. And this time it'll be 1/2. Oops, there we go. We gotta make sure it's exactly right. There we go. Okay, now you should make a prediction on how far this is going to be or how long it's going to take to make this trip around in 1 revolution. Okay, you should make a prediction about that. Okay, now, okay, here we go. Timer ready?
Timer ready.
Okay, let's rock and roll. Gotta find the little button here. Ready, 1, 2, whoops, I haven't found it yet. Where is that thing? There it is. 1, 2, 3, go. And right here's the end, I think, right?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, stop. Okay. How do we do? So we got a second time. This is with a radius of 1/2 meter. And what was the time this time? Oh, 8.41 seconds. Okay, so if you multiply this by 2, you know, it's about half, isn't it? Okay, so that's it. So you're going to do a lab based on this data. So start the lab. You can rewatch the video if you need to get the information again and watch it again. And we'll go from there, okay? And this data will be in the lab also. Okay, go for it.